Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video I've got something quite new, which is exciting. This is a new brand, Acoustic Solutions, which I believe are exclusive to Argos at the moment. So I'm not sure how accessible these are to most, but seems to be a decent price. I picked this one up for £75, which isn't too bad at all. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing on it here, and then have a play with it for a couple of days and do a full review. Just so you can get a good idea whether you should be sticking to something more like JBL, or you can go with some of these cheaper and less heard of brands. Hopefully they'll be interesting. I like the idea that it's got lights on the outside, stuff like that, so it's quite interesting. So we'll get into it. Obviously the box does feel quite cheap. It is a £75 speaker, so we're not getting anything exciting here really. This is just just a box really, isn't it? I'm assuming this is on the left hand side here. We've got a little box, probably just with the charger and some manuals, I would imagine. That's what there normally is. Yeah, so we've got a standard USB-C cable and some manuals. So it's a standard USB-A to C and some manuals underneath there. And then we've got the main speaker to pull out. The speaker itself fits quite tightly into these little end pieces. And when you pulled it out, it's actually surprisingly light, which first impressions isn't really a good thing, to be honest. You don't really want a speaker to be light. Obviously the main component of a speaker is magnets. Magnets are heavy, so if it's heavy it means big magnets, that means good sound. Normally is a very basic approach to a speaker, so the fact that it's relatively big and this light is not a brilliant sign so far, but the build quality seems quite nice. You've got a nice radiator up here, clearly some nice lights on the outside. We've got a quite flimsy feeling port, I guess, USB and a USB-C, I'm guessing for charging, using as a power bank type thing. Then we've got a Bluetooth, a pairing button, volume up, down and power, and then a little strap to hold it with, just like the JBL Flip. Speakers all very similar really. No branding at all on the mesh around the speaker, it's just black. But yeah, it feels well built, but just surprisingly light, which isn't brilliant. So hopefully, obviously I'll be doing the review soon, and I can shed some light onto how good this speaker really is. So if you want to see that, leave a like, subscribe, and wait for that video.